Good afternoon, everyone. Wanted to go over Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. Uh, as usual in my videos, we are going to talk about past, present, and future price action and where I think the price is headed, what it's done, and where it's headed. So let's start off. We go back about 2 years into 2024, where the stock, you can see these large volume bars here, going into about the spring of 2025. And what we're noticing here is, I guess, there's many terms for it. I like to call it the accumulation phase, or you can call it the consolidation phase. Both have same meaning, but you can see the accumulation phase is basically smart money noticing what's happening, and there's not really too much of a shift in the price up or down. It's just basically trading sideways, and trading sideways is when that should really catch your attention, because that's smart money accumulating. And then in April, you had a dip, a gap down, and April 2025, and then the price starts rising as a result of the accumulation phase. Do I have my accumulation indicator on here? Yes. So you can see this is the accumulation distribution indicator. It's showing basically people accumulating the stock, right? So let's go back up here. And so we had the accumulation phase, and then all this right here, this is the public participation phase, meaning the entire stock market community is joining in this rally. And boy, what a rally it was, from April till what we got here, April to June, from April 2025 to June 2026. That's 14 months of a rally. And as I always say, nothing lasts forever. And so, yeah, we had that large rally, and then we get May, and this is when you start to see the distribution phase. The distribution phase is when smart money liquidates their trades for profit and hands it to retail, essentially. And as you can see, we have the head and shoulders top bear reversal pattern. The left shoulder was created in May, the head was created in June, and then the right shoulder was created in July. The neckline was at 900, and as we can see, it broke below the neckline, confirming the head and shoulders pattern. And as we stand right now, there's been a lot of ups and downs from in July and into August. And what we're seeing here, let me just zoom in to 9 months so you get a closer view. And we go to annotation. Boom, boom. So we got that. Creating the flagpole. Go another one. There. And another one there. I had originally did the 2 hour chart. I had made a more detailed chart there, but I was annotating it on the intraday and accidentally saved it and lost it. So I had to redo the entire chart. But yeah, so always in charting, you're going to have a main reversal and then a continuation pattern. As for Micron, you have your main reversal in the head and shoulders, and right now it's creating the bear flag pattern. There's the pull, there's the flag, and as always, the bear flag is trickery. As I always say, it it's a consolidation. It's a consolidation, a rise in price consolidation, and it tricks a lot of traders because they see the price rising, and either they go full port on it, not knowing what the outcome of the bear flag is. So you have your flagpole, first reaction low. Actually, let's fix this a little bit. There we go. You have your flagpole, bear flag, first reaction low, reaction high, reaction low, reaction high, and now it's toying with the lower trend line. And in a bear flag, you need at least two reaction highs and two reaction lows. So if I'm thinking that the price action is going to start to play a little more with the lower trend line, and what we need to watch for is a trend line break. It should break the lower trend line and start to plummet. It already filled the seven. I think that this right here is the 766 gap right there. It already filled that gap and then created the continuation. And now I expect it to break the lower trend line and head a little bit more south than the 760 gap fill. I think it's going to break and then catch a slower Bollinger Band here and then head lower. Ultimately, I think there's main support around in the 500 range. In this type of scenario with the bear main reversal and bear continuation, it's expected to head lower. So, as I said, I believe 500 is the bottom. Obviously, it's not going to happen. No straight shot there. It's going to happen over time. These patterns can last anywhere from 1 to 3 months. So, in the next couple months, I expect that price action to head lower. And let's see, right, what we got here. You can see in the TTM squeeze, the bear flag is indicative of what the TTM squeeze is doing. You can also see it in the MACD. It's creating its own bear flag here. And what we're waiting for now is the ADX plus minus DI. The ADX itself is trending south, and what we need is the ADX negative DI to go back over the green, and then yeah, you see some divergence here in the RSI, and then volume dissipating here. So yeah, I expect price to move south. I've done a lot of charts on Moo, and I know it keeps on heading back above the neckline and everything like that. But what's important to know is the price rising is due to the bear flag. So yeah, continue to watch this one, and I'll make another chart, video chart once this price action breaks the lower trend line. So yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated on that. Let me just save that. Get out of here. Go back to the 1 year. Go back here. Just move this around. Save it. Boom. So yeah, there you have it. Have a good rest of your weekend, guys. I'll probably be doing more video charts over the weekend. Probably into pre-market Monday. So yeah, have a good rest of your weekend. Later.